అడ్వాన్స్ ఫర్టిలిటీ కేర్. సో ఇటువంటి కేర్ తీసుకోవాలనే ఐడియా ఎక్కడ పుట్టింది?
మా కోడలు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అయింది కాబట్టి మాకు వి సా వాట్ షీ వెంట్ త్రూ. సో వీ థాట్ ఇది పర్ఫెక్ట్ something which we should bring to Hyderabad. We want everybody in Hyderabad to have world class experience and treatment. అందుకే మేము ప్లాన్ అయింది. My husband and I decided we should get into it.
ఇప్పటివరకు ఏం చేసినా వరల్డ్ క్లాస్ చేశారు.
అన్నీ కాదు ఐఎమ్ నాట్ సేయింగ్ అన్ని వరల్డ్ క్లాస్ కాదు, బట్ ఐ బిలీవ్ ఇన్ దిస్. ఈ టెక్నాలజీలో మేము డెఫినెట్లీ వరల్డ్ క్లాస్ బికాస్ ఆర్ కో ఫౌండర్ ఇస్ ఫ్రమ్ యూఎస్, న్యూయార్క్ నుంచి. అండ్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ అన్ఫార్చునేట్ హీ కుడెంట్ బీ హియర్ టుడే బికాస్ హీ గాట్ వెరీ సిక్ అండ్ హీ హ్యాడ్ టు గో బ్యాక్. సో he's really world class అందుకే.
సో దీని రీసెర్చ్ గురించి చెప్పండి, ఎంత టైం పట్టింది అండ్ యూ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ బీయింగ్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. సో డూ యూ థింక్ దిస్ ఇస్ గోనా రియల్లీ మేక్ అ బిగ్ చేంజ్ ఇన్ ద సొసైటీ?
As far as research goes, it took us one whole year to get the best team, build the whole facility, and take care of it in that sense. And as far as what people expect, speaking through personal experience, Andy, everybody just wants to feel that that good quality experience, which is lacking. Everyone's paying the price, so you should be treated for that price as well, and that is important for us, Maku. For we stressed on making it very personalized private patient experience, creating that. Technology and everything is add-on, but empathy, transparency, ethics, all that is just as important in this industry.
I just to add to this, ఎందుకు ఇంత టైం పట్టిందంటే 1 year plus the detail they went into. We wanted to go through all the permissions, everything transparent, very correctly, because there's so much we've been reading and seeing which is not nice, and we don't want to get into that. We want to be honest, and everything, every permission has to be according to the law. That's what we are very, very keen on.
Is it very expensive or nice? Who would like to say about it?
In terms of pricing,
Pricing.
not at all. We are, I would say, we are just as same as the other clinics, but I think
You're getting
one
more
thing,
than what you're paying.
yes, absolutely.
That's what I think.
I think what we are doing differently in terms of pricing, usually clinics will say this is your price, and then there'll be a lot of add-ons. In our clinic, that's not the case at all. For us, everything is included, be it the medication, be it the ultrasounds, the blood tests, everything that's usually an add-on is already a part of our experience. And like Atma also said, nutrition is a big part of it, so we even provide a really good quality F&B service that's part of their whole experience. We're not taking additional to it. So with us, it's the quality, it's the experience, all that together is what we are.
First AI driven అంటే ఏమేం స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఆఫ్ మెషిన్స్ ఉంటాయి?
See, when it comes to AI, particularly right now, what we're focusing is on our AI based Aztec Chronos time lapse incubator. That's our embryology lab's new baby, and that's what we've integrated AI with. Thank you.